Health MEC Nomantu Nkomo-Ralehoko has assured the safety of anyone who will be visiting Gauteng province during the holiday season.
We are here at Baglo Interchange. In fact, that's what we've been doing for the past 2 years. This is the third year now, that when we move towards the festive season, we want to assure the citizens of Gauteng, including those that are not residing in Gauteng that will come to Gauteng, that as the Department of Health and Wellness, we are ready to handle any situation during this festive season.
The Gauteng Health MEC says alcohol consumption is a contributory factor in almost all accidents that happens at this time of the year. She's encouraged people to drink responsibly and at their places of residence.
I've been saying the day people stop drinking recklessly, they buy their drinks and go and drink at home and sleep, will not have so many incidents. Most of the trauma cases that we are going to get, even in our accident and emergency areas, in all the hospitals, in all the clinics, is the people that are involved in the fights after they've been drinking. So those are the other things that we must try and warn the citizens. They must reduce drinking, really.
Additional staff will be deployed to bolster the number of personnel on the ground to help save lives.
We have our armored vehicles that we're using normally during violent incidents where there's a conflict. We then deploy those vehicles. We have our ICU vehicles here with capability that is very similar to an ICU environment in an hospital. We also brought in, which is very unique to the province and to the environment of EMS. We have what you see on your backside called GWOW, which is a Gauteng Wellness on Wheels. And that vehicle is mainly a vehicle that is servicing our paramedics.
Medical health personnel from the South African National Defence Force will be roped in to provide support.
We are the country's active reserve. For instance, if in and when there is any emergency that will arrive or any disaster that will come, we will be called in to assist in support in terms of medical support to whatever disaster that may come.
According to the Transport Department, Gauteng and KwaZulu-Natal contribute the highest number of accidents and fatalities, meaning emergency services personnel in these provinces will have their hands full over the next few weeks. Calvin Rudla, SABC News, Johannesburg.